Welcome to vettedtrainers.com.
Hello fitness family, today we're doing the single leg deadlift. We start with a movement tunnel, so you'll lean your body over towards the leg you're going to stand on. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 with control. Then angle your knee out, push your hip back, and hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drive your bottom heel into the floor, pull your head up to finish. If you can't do that, we cannot do level 1. So for level 1, I am going to go down slowly, angle my front knee out, and I'm going to drive my heel through the ground and pull my head back up to finish the rep. You want to go get whatever depth you can control. If you can get parallel from the ground, that would be awesome. For level 2, instead of bringing my foot back to the floor, I'm going to drive my knee up high, and show control at the top. That'll make my standing glute squeeze even harder. I also want to be breathing slowly and controlled in all of these moves.
This video has been brought to you by vettedtrainers.com.